Good evening, all viewers. Welcome to our live sessions at Inspire Manet. Myself, Gaurav Nimche from People Strong Private Limited. And today we have with us Shivam sir, who is a Manet alumni and currently pursuing his PhD at IIT Indore. So we welcome you heartily, sir.
Thank you, Gaurav, for inviting me. I'm really, very glad to be here with you.
It's always my pleasure to have you, sir, here. And so, viewers, in the last session, we were discussing a very interesting topic about real life versus real life, real happiness. And in that, we got an idea what Kuldeep sir was telling that our happiness, when influenced on the external situations too much, can't bring actually or can't give us sustainable happiness because that's temporary. Yeah. And the real happiness, sir told, it is based on our inner self, connecting to our inner self. So, what's that connecting to our inner self, or what's that tuning into inner self? So, we are going to discuss that topic. And we have, it's a great pleasure to have Shivam sir to speak on that topic. So, sir, please kindly uh, tell us about this topic.
Okay, so thank you, Gaurav. First of all, I again thank you for inviting me. And as we are talking about tuning in yourself, so first we have to see what is that yourself and where we have to tune in. Like there are so many things to tune in and we tune into also. There are so many, like when we talk about TV, there are so many channels, there are so many service providers, they are
Yeah.
providing you so many options. Even for news also, sometimes we go for MTV, sometimes we go for India TV, sometimes we go for Aaj Tak, sometimes we go for some others. So there are so many options. Some are interested in sports, so they go for different sport television. Some are interested in drama, some are interested in movies. So there are so many things in this world which is going on, and where we are tuning in, but we don't know where to tune in. What is the right place where we have to tune in, and where we can get that satisfaction where we are running after. So the first thing we have to identify here, that what is that yourself where we are lacking into, because we
Yeah.
are tuning in so many places. But then also,
Yeah.
like I talked about television, but if you talk about nowadays, we have internet services,
Yeah.
and we have YouTube, we have so many other social medias like Insta, Facebook, and there we have so many, like in television we have limited, we have so many options, but
Mhm.
then also there is a limitation. But in YouTube there
Yeah.
is no such limitations. Even in sports also, you can go for any of your, like if you are interested in cricket, you can go for
Mhm.
cricket, and you can watch any of your favorite match. You can go for highlights of any of these sports.
Of
Some are
course.
going for WWE. So there are so many places, and where people, they are tuning into. And
Mhm.
sometimes you get amazed when you met with some people, and they have, because they are tuning into so many places, they have so
Okay.
much information,
Uh-huh.
so that even you get shocked that how a person can absorb such knowledge. But if you
Uh-huh.
talk about that person's self, he is not also satisfied by that information. He wants more to get into the world. He wants, because we are not in a right direction, in a right place where we have to tune in. And we are talking about tune in yourselves, so where we have to tune. So for that real self, if you talk about, like we give references from Bhagavad Gita in our this type of talks. So when we talk about Bhagavad Gita, so this self has been told by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita as soul. So this
Mhm.
is our real self is. And if you are not talking about the need of our real self, then definitely we cannot get satisfaction. Even if we will be collecting so much of information, but then also it won't be possible for us to get satisfied out of it. Like if you talk about like so many things which is going on in this world, you cannot even collect all such information. But then also, if you will be collecting so many information, then also there will always be lack something. You will be feeling that lacking within yourself, because that direction is not proper. You are not in a right place. You are not in a right direction. Why? Because you don't know your real identity. You are not working you are not working as your real self. When you get to know who you are, then you can understand your real needs. Okay, so
Okay.
for
Okay.
yeah,
Sir, my
so
question, sir, on this.
yeah.
Shivam, sir, you just told about that most of the people are tuning outside, collecting so much information. And the inner self, as you are talking, is soul, Atma, and we don't know about it. So, can you just explain to us how we differentiate this, or how we actually recognize the inner self as soul? Means then only we will be able to connect, right?
Okay, okay. So, like I remember my initial days of Inspire
Mhm.
when I was in Manit. So
Yeah.
we have been gone through the course Discover Yourself, device
Oh,
session,
wonderful.
very
Yeah.
popular sessions of Inspire. So
Yeah.
there we get to know who we are, who we
Okay.
are, and it's a means course like of 5-6 sessions,
Mhm.
and there we get into the real identity of ours, who we
Mhm.
are. So like if you talk about that real self as a soul, that our real identity is soul. So like sometimes some people they identify themselves as a body, like the body, the outer covering. So sometimes they think like this hand or this like outer covering is they themselves. But sometimes some people they come on different platform, like it's a gross platform. Okay, so but then also when we say like this is my hand, I'm saying this is my hand. So someone is saying like this is my hand, like I'm saying this is my phone. So if I'm saying this is my phone, what does it mean? It belongs to me.
Yeah.
But this
It's
is not
different.
me. If I'm
Correct.
saying this is my hand, so it belongs to me, but I am not this hand. So
Mhm.
okay, this is first understanding where most of the people they found themselves like they are the body. Then the another level of understanding is sometimes the people they consider themselves as their mind, because they start thinking. So they are on little subtler form.
Mhm.
So whatever they are thinking about, so because the mind is little subtle in nature, and it seems functioning. So sometimes the people they call like that mind also, like I am the real mind because I'm functioning as per the mind. But even if you see, like you can control your mind as well. That's why we do some sessions and
Okay.
sessions
Mind
mind
control.
control. There are
Uh-huh.
lots
Correct.
of sessions we also do,
Mhm.
uh, like sessions for our mind control, because we
Mhm.
have lots of problem regarding our mind. We don't want to do something, then also we get into. So
That's
definitely, if
interesting.
yeah, if we are able to control our mind as well, then definitely we are above than mind also. Because
Correct.
if
Correct.
someone is controlling something else, then the one who is controller is definitely above than that. Then definitely we are something beyond that mind also.
Mhm.
So when you get into like Bhagavad Gita or some other references,
Yeah.
then we get to know that higher than the mind is also there is something which is we known as soul. So that soul is what that real self is.
Okay.
So when we understand that soul, that real self, and then the next thing is the demand of the soul. Like we understand the demand of body, we understand the demand of our mind, but we are sometimes we are hankering about lots of information. We are get into the worlds either for satisfying the demand of our body or satisfying our intellectual demands or like the demands of our mind. So
Mhm.
these things we get into, but we don't, because we don't know ourselves who
Mhm.
we are. Then definitely we cannot know the demand of our real self is.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
first of all we have to identify who we are and what is the real purpose, what is the real goal of that, and then only we can identify some goals, we can fix some goals, and then we can work into for that.
Of course, sir. Of course. Correct. Correct. So
Yeah.
again, sir, connecting back that how we so moving forward कि हम कैसे अपने real self में tune करें, तो
Yeah,
इसके
so
बारे में कुछ
definitely.
बताइए. Yeah.
Yeah. So we are continuing like that. So when we get to know that we are soul, then definitely we can decide our goal, and then we can work into. Okay, let me give you one example. Like I have seen so many people, they have been working lots of, like if we talk about some fan of cricket, so they talk about, oh, why he played like that, he should not have played like that, he should not have given ball to that bowler at the end or at the beginning. We have so many
Of
things
course,
to
sir.
think upon. We discuss a lot. We discuss about politics, that
Yeah.
this person should not have done like that. The ticket should be given to that individual from that a particular state or from particular district. So this thing we talk about a lot. This is what our circle of concern is. We are concerned about so many things which is going on world, but
Yeah.
do we have any influence over all such things? No. So this is just a wastage of our energy. But when we work where our influence is, where our circle of influence lies, and when we start, like, let me give you an interesting story. Like there was one boy, like all of us, we want to change the world, we want to change the society. So he was also having that type of aspiration. So he wanted to change the whole world. So he started working on something, but nobody could recognize his action. So then he decided, okay, let me change India, because he was from India. Then he started doing something, but then also nobody recognized his any attempts. Then another level, he decided, okay, I'm from UP, like I'm from. So he started working on UP, Uttar Pradesh, but then also he could not get that recognition. Then he started feeling frustrated. Then he came to district, because he thought of, like, I have studied here, I have invested so many times, I have some of my friends teachers also, so let me do something significant here. They will be appreciating my attempts. But he could not make any change there also. Then at last he came to at house, and he wanted to change his family members, but there also he could not do anything. He was giving so many instructions that we should not do like that, we should be behaving like this. He was teaching so many things, but nobody could recognize his any of the efforts. Then what he finally decided, okay, let me start from the beginning, let me start from myself. And then he started working on himself. Then what happened, then when he started working on himself, then his parents recognized that he's changing, his habits are changing, and he's going in a right direction. Then he could influence his parents very nicely. Then when his family members got influenced by his behavior, then the next step was, like his villagers, they started to get recognized, that family, that how they are behaving very nicely. So in this way, he got influence all over India, and then he made a very important influence all over the world as well. So when we get to know ourselves, when we start working on ourselves, when we start working on our circle of
Okay, I think, sirs, mm, there went some network problem. एनीवेज, तो सर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी सुना है हम सभी को कि कैसे एक आदमी जो था वो किसी पर्टिकुलर एरिया, किसी पर्टिकुलर कंट्री एंड किसी इवन पर्टिकुलर सोसाइटी के ऊपर इन्फ्लुएंस करना चाहता था अपनी टीचिंग्स और वॉट एवर प्लान ही हैड. So we saw that how he tried initially, but there was no change. And finally, when he came to realize that actually it was his own self for changing. So we have Shivam sir back with us. Shivam sir, are you able to hear? Okay, I think it's getting joined. Anyway, so how the influence over his own self then transmitted gradually over all those who were nearby him, and he was able to achieve that influence. So the central point in this was the very own self to start with. Yeah. And that's why we say tune in yourself. Yeah. Shivam sir, are you there? Able to hear?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, sir, you were explaining about that when we start working on ourselves. Yeah.
Yeah, I got disconnected. So I was explaining the point when we start working on ourselves, then we can make impact on others as well. Then
Hmm. Of
we
course.
can contribute on others' life as well. So first thing is very much important that you have to identify your inner self, that who you are, what are your demands, and then you can make a significant impact on others' life as well. So this is the best thing to understand.
Yeah.
And definitely, if you want to understand that who you are, like we talked that your real identity is soul.
Hmm.
So if you want to know more about that self, that inner self, who you really are, then
Mhm.
definitely you have to refer a proper source also. Then only you will get to know the demands of that, the food for that, and then you can get that real satisfaction. Because from from there only you'll get into right thing, where you when you have that right information. Because in the lack of information, you cannot means even choose what is the right thing to get into.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically what I got to learn is that कि हमको पहले सबसे पहले अपने रियल सेल्फ के बारे में नॉलेज पता होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट. एंड
Yeah,
सर वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, ये हम कैसे पता करेंगे सर? व्हाट्स द सोर्स और व्हाट्स द वे टू नो इट?
definitely. I explained you that we are not the body, we are not the mind, we are soul. And then I
या.
gave you the reference as well that Bhagavad Gita talks about that who you are, your real characteristics as a soul, and so many things related to that. And there also you get into so many things, that what is the real thing where you have to get into. Because when you get to know that who you really are, then definitely you can get into yourself. Because we are talking about yourself, and if you don't know who yourself is, then definitely you cannot get into yourself. So when you refer Bhagavad Gita, when you know who yourself is, then definitely you can get into yourself, and then you will realize that you are getting that satisfaction where you were hankering for. You that hankering were not getting satiated when you were getting into so many things which is happening around in this world. So the only source is Bhagavad Gita and other Vedic literatures as well. But the best source is Bhagavad Gita, where you can get to know who you yourself is, and then the other things related to that.
Yeah, of course, sir. Wonderful. So I would just like to conclude this session. So thank you all for joining us, and thank you, Shivam sir, for wonderful this talk. And I would just like to conclude by stating an analogy, what sir was explaining. In a dark room where there is no light, it's very difficult to find a particular thing, correct? Because you cannot see actually. So you may try to find, you may hit, sometimes you may get hurt, and so many things will happen. And it's very almost impossible to find that thing. But as soon as you switch the light on, everything is clear and you just immediately get that thing, correct? So, sir, as was talking about hankering, unless we switch on that torch of knowledge to know ourselves, who we really are, then our real hankering will automatically be satisfied. So,
Yeah,
thank you
yeah.
all very much. And thank you, Shubham sir, for such a wonderful talk. We'll get back to all our viewers again um, with our similar interesting questions. Thank you for joining us. Please post your questions also. We'll take it and answer them. Thank you.
Thank you, Gaurav, again for inviting me. I'm really very, very happy to be with you and sharing my views here with all our viewers. Thank you, everyone. And thank you,
Thank you.
Gaurav.